two grocery shops stood side by side. Two shops are there, grocery shops are there, side by side, side by side. Both are going to sell same products, same price, same products, same similar price only. But one shop was always crowded. One shop is always crowded. Another shop, no people. Egal dolukunta untam. Then a young businessman visited the shop and asked him, what is your secret? What's your secret? Why the crowd is this much? But the other shop, same items, same price, the people are not going there. Are just a side by side only. Why? A young businessman asked this person, why, what is the reason for that? The owner smiled. He said one wonderful statement. Do you want me to tell that statement? The crowded shop owner. One wonderful statement he told. I don't remember only what customers buy. I don't remember only what customers buy. I remember their lives. I remember their lives. I remember their life. He knew one customer's daughter had exam. Another customer's mother was recovering from surgery. One family had recently shifted to a new house. You know their life, not only the items what they are buying from this shop. Okay. Another customer's son had got a new job. All these things, that company, that shop owner, no. Whenever customer entered, so he never started with what do you want? What do you want? He first asked, how is your mother now? Just recently, in the last month, he know complete journey of his family. How is your mother now? Okay, she's health is okay, right? Health is set it right. Okay, like so. Did your daughter finish her exams? She had exams, right? Exams got completed. Like congratulations for your son's new job. Okay, feeling happy. Whatever the effort you kept, your son kept. Now the results. Okay, now it is the enjoying moment. Congratulations, man. So give this small chocolate for your son as my gift. Like whatever. Can you please imagine once how the attachment will that shop, the people, the customers? Okay, customers felt respected. They keep on returning to the same shop. Okay, because of his owner, because of his care. Okay, the prices even the same, not lower, not lesser, but still the people are coming because his care, his interest, is showing the respect that thing must be required. Remember carefully. I hope it's clear for you. So in all these examples, man. So once we are start giving importance for the opposite person, genuinely, sincerely, then the things are going to be changed, man. Relationships create loyal customers. Care creates a trust. Trust creates business. People remember kindness. Okay? Customers may forget your prices, but they never forget how you made them feel. You have to create a positive feeling. Okay, like